You're my brother, and you still don't wanna run to the one that I belong to. You still don't wanna want for life.
Hello, Totoo Robert, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Totoo Robert!
Ang wish ko sa imo na stay healthy always. Sana silingan naton ang birthday ko sa mong lain bigyan sa your age. Happy birthday liwat ka. Thank you sa support mo sa amon, sa amon mga utod. Na wala ka din nagtataka sa pag-uwi sa amon. Kabay pa nga bless ka, gana sa mayong lawas, malawig nga kabuhi. Kag ma-enjoy mo like nga ginatan sa aton. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to. I love you.
Happy birthday, Totoo Robert! Stay healthy!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Toto. More birthdays to come and God bless always.
Happy birthday to. Thank you sa gift to.
Happy birthday to. God bless you. Bye.
Robert, happy birthday. Wish ko kids sa inyong tanan. Kaya man ako di ko alay darang sa inyong tanan ko. Ang wish ko lang para sa inyo, nung magkala ka may malawas. Tapos yung kinabuhi. Kaya lang maka-share ka pa sa mga blessings sa mga tita at mga kapisa. Once again, Toto, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Pasensya lagi ka. Ulan, mag-chat ko Toto. Enjoy. Bye. Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come. More celebration to come. Good health. God bless you. And I love you, Totoo Robert. See you soon. Halong with the appointment. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Totoo Robert. I love you, Totoo Robert.
Totoo Robert, happy birthday. Yat lang ang lawas pero may
Happy birthday, Totoo Robert! Sabay niya ka lang kami sa mga malawas and including your family.
Hi Toto, happy 7th, 30th, ay plus 10. Okay. Happy birthday to. Thank you sa tanan-tanan sa pagiging generous mo ka naman. Balance gid alin sa Camacho family, Carabana family. Thank you sa tanan. Bless kami nga John ikaw ka naman nga nag-open arms gid sa tanan-tanan nga bagay. Wish ko lang gid sis, mayad nilawas kanimo. Safe ka always kay ikaw ra naging parents sa imo siblings. Salamat sa tanan-tanan, salamat sa pagpalangga, sa pag-intindi. Kabay lang gid nga makakita ako partner. Hopefully kag praying gid. Thank you sa tanan-tanan to. Sa liwat, happy birthday ba maya ako magambal kan imo nga tuon nga edad iba laban malibakan gid ikaw para guro. Thank you gito to sa tanan-tanan. Happy birthday ka. God bless gid kanimo. Love you.
Hi Tita Lovert, happy birthday. I just want more blessings for you and for your future endeavors. I know that you will achieve more and more, and I have grown up to have an uncle like you, and I'm so blessed. Happy birthday, Tita Lovert.
Hi, Tita Lovert. Just want to say happy birthday. God bless you and ingat ka palagi.
Wake us! Happy 40th birthday! Let me tell you, life begins at 40, so congratulations on finally reaching the starting line.
But seriously though, you've accomplished so much, made countless memories, and somehow managed to get even better with age.
Wishing you a year filled with laughter, good health, success, great adventures, and happiness you deserve.
May this new decade bring new, exciting opportunities, unforgettable moments, and remember, being single at 40 just means you're too valuable to settle for the wrong person.
You always take care of everyone. It's about time now that you are the one who will be taken care of.
Enjoy your special day. You deserve every bit of the celebration.
Happy birthday! We miss you and we love you! Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy Mama. Happy birthday. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Toto Lovert! God bless you! Mwah!
Happy birthday to Robert! Talong kada! See you soon!
Happy birthday to wish ko. Mga sawa ka na kang makita kung apo ko sa imo. Kag damuon mo, hindi lang isa. Walo, isa kigadsina. Para damo kita. Iway, ito nagbulo sa ating interaksyon. Happy birthday. Pira ka na to. Kabay pang masawa ka na. Para makita ko na kaliwat ko. Happy birthday. Oh.
Hi to, happy birthday. Salamat kay bisan malayo ka. Wala mo kami ginakalipatan, ginapabatyan mo sa amon ang imo pagpalangga kapag care. Most especially sa akon sa sitwasyon ko subong. Salamat sa palawig mo nga pag-intindi kabay nga intindihon mo pa ako hasta nga makatibawas man. Happy birthday to you. I wish nothing but the best for you. I love you to.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Toto Dinongkas. Wish you all the best. Good health and good wealth. I love you so much. See you soon.
Hi to, happy birthday. Wish ko nga maglawig pa imo kabuhi. Kabay pa nga safe ka kita. Halong imo pagbalihon. Kag see you soon. I love you. Happy birthday, Liwat.
Happy birthday, Toto Lovert!
Hi, Toto Lovert. Happy birthday. Love you. God bless. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Toto Lovert!
Happy birthday, Toto Lovert. Love you. Miss you.
Hello, Toto Lovert. Happy birthday. Halong kada perme. God bless.
Hi, Toto Lovert. Happy birthday. Wishing you happiness, good health, and stay blessed.
Hi to, happy birthday and halong ka permi.
Happy birthday, Noy. Hello, Noy. It's your 40th birthday, a very special day for you. Thank you so much for being so kind all the time. Thank you for being there whenever needed. Thank you for being such a good person. And for us, you're a part of our family, and you know that. We wish you all the best, and we hope and pray that whatever is it that your heart desires will be granted. We love you and happy birthday. We're waiting for you to celebrate here in Shanghai when you get back. Enjoy your day.
Happy 40th birthday, Nonoy. I wish you all the blessings and be happy every day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bert. 40 ka na. Wala na tayo choice sa mangita kita ni Bayi Guro sa club. Happy birthday. Enjoy that.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dearest friend, Lovert. So, I wish you all the best in life and happy holidays in the Philippines. And I'll see you when you're back. Happy birthday. And I love you.
Toto Lovert, happy birthday. Ka-40th birthday mo na gali. Happy birthday da, Toto Enjoy lang sa imong adlaw. See you soon. Halong kagid permi ha. Halong kagid. Happy birthday.
Hi B, sawadee. It's your birthday na. Happy birthday. I get so lucky to have you as my friend. Ikaw yung pinaka-genuine na tao, pinaka-honest, magaling magdesisyon, palaging kalmado, madalino, gwapo, mayabang. Pag may something ako, palagi kang to the rescue. So thank you for saving me so many times. Ikaw yung guardian angel ko dito sa Shanghai and international. You have the biggest heart. Alam ko kung paano mo alagaan at unahin yung mga taong importante sa'yo. Palagi mo silang inuuna bago yung sarili mo. Ikaw yung palaging nagbibigay. So my only wish for you this year is sana ikaw naman yung ma-spoil. Sana ikaw naman yung unahin. Sana ikaw naman yung palaging tumatanggap. At sana puro receiving na lang this year. Sana mas madami ka pang blessings na ma-receive at umaapaw at sobra-sobra. I'm excited for you. I will always celebrate you this year and every years to come. Gusto ko yung mas marami ka pang ipagyayabang sa akin. Favorite ko yung yabang mo, so please don't ever change your beautiful heart. I love you and so many of us love you. Happy birthday and live longer and healthier pa, okay? Happy birthday, B!
Happy birthday, Lubert! Ito na naman yung umaati sa akin, pero mas matanda pa sa akin ng ilang buwan. Ayun, birthday na naman ni Lubert, yung favorite kong lalaki sa Shanghai na napakabait, napaka-generous. At hindi man kami madalas mag-usap, di man kami madalas magkita, alam ko na true yung aming friendship. Salamat sa friendship, Lubert. At sana ipagpatuloy mo lang na maging mabuti ka pa ring anak sa parents mo. Kaya ka binibless ni God kasi alam ko mabuti kang tao, may puso kang busilak. At sana lahat ng dreams mo matupad mo kung ano man yon. At sana mag-asawa na si Lubert. Joke lang. At Lubert, sana maging masaya ka itong hindi lang sa araw na to, kundi sa buong taon na to na na-add sa'yo ni God sa edad mo. At sana always wishing you good health at saka sa career at saka sana talaga mag-asawa ka na, no? Joke. Yun lang. Sana i-grant ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at saka more birthday to comes. At saka si Lubert po yung tao na napaka-generous, mapagmahal. Ramdam namin lahat yon kung sino man nakakakilala kay Lubert. Wala na akong ibang masasabi. Happy birthday sa'yo. Magkita tayo. At saka pag hindi ka na busy, sabi ko sa'yo, I'm just one text away. Wag lang yung hating gabi. Iba kasi yung gusto mong puntahan pagkagabi. Peace. Joke lang. Happy birthday, Lubert. I love you.
Happy 21st birthday, B. Wishing you good health and more blessings.
Happy birthday, Nonoy. We thank God for your life. We are thankful you're alive. And although you are 21 now, you are still very young at heart. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Noy. Keep shining, keep soaring, and keep being the incredible and sweetest person you are. Alam ko, nasa Pinas ka to celebrate your birthday, so mamimiss namin ang dinuguan, menudo, siomai. Anyway, babalik ka naman, so text mo lang ako. Love you. Enjoy your birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Kuya! We wish you good health and more blessings.
We miss you and love you, Mama.
Happy birthday!
Hi! Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa pambansang Be. And thank you for the gift of life na meron ka. This is your 40th. And happy birthday to one of the kindest, most generous, loving, caring na human being na nakilala ko. Happy birthday and God bless you. Alam mo na yon, alam mo na ang drill. Enjoy mo dyan and kita-kits soon. Happy birthday, Be. We love you.
Hello, Brother John. Wish you happy 40th birthday from Bangalore. So far away from you now, but I hope you are going to enjoy your birthday with your family and friends. Take care. See you soon.
Happy birthday, bro. Hope you're having a good time back home with friends and families. And the Shanghai friends are waiting for you to come back, and then we'll have a great party. Till then, have fun. Cheers, bro. Bye-bye.